we're here in the shop. We're trying here things today that we've never tried before, and it's trying to wrap a car. We have no idea what we're doing.
Spray this, right?
I can spray it.
Lock.
Is it good now?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, like this side. Where's your tool? I'm just trying to get it to stick in the middle. I don't see mine is sticking at all. Give it a second.
Is it hot?
Yes, bitch.
Okay, make sure.
Too wet? Oh, right now. Bitch. Make it look like it sticks so easily.
I think you're kind of messed up. Well,
stick it on the door just for now. I'm still thinking, ow, come on, ow, Jesus Christ. For real.
what are your thoughts so far, Brian?
Fantastic.
Do you think this is why people charge so much?
Obviously, they make it look easy online, but it's not easy. It's like, ew, just slap it on there, push, and you're done. No, not that easy. Pull that bottom. Why? Because I got one hand on it. You're gonna lower it, fuck it up again. Yeah, fuck it, mate. Grab the bottom. It's over there. You're past the door.
Are we low enough? Yeah, you should be good. It's not gonna go all the way down.
No, we did kind of go fucking high though. No, it's good.
Yeah, it's fine. Triple fist hit.
Sorry. If you want to pull, I got the gloves on.
We had a little mishap by the hood. It'll be alright. We're having some issues here as the fender dips in, since it's a much wider fender. That side's a little bit easier, so we'll just keep working at it. Give you some progress later. So we're about 3 hours in at this point, and we've gotten one fender basically done.
Hey, we're doing good.
And one headlight.
And one headlight.
And one headlight suck it. We gave up on big shit and started doing bullshit.
The headlight looks amazing.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I did it. Shut the fuck up.
Wait, what?
Yeah. I mean, mostly, yeah, I did it.
It was a shared effort, but we got a few small imperfections, but we still gotta finish this. Can't get that a little bit finished. Other than that, that's gonna be the new color. That's nice and pretty. Let's keep wrapping. Well, here it is. The door is finished. We even wrapped the actual handle too, because we were too damn lazy to take it off. As a whole, it's looking pretty damn good. So this is taking us all day. We don't know what we're doing.
So from last weekend, we got the front fender done. It might end up having to be redone because we kind of cut it short. So this piece really needs to be redone. We don't know if we're gonna run out of laminate, so we're gonna do the rest of the car and then come back to it. We got the door done. We got the rear over fender done. And then during the week, I came up here a few days and attempted to do the hatch. I think it's just, you could do it in one piece. You really can't do this in one piece. Maybe someone can tell me what I messed up, or if I should have taken this off and removed it and done it separately and then put it back on. But, you know, live and learn. So the first try, I tried to go from here, work my way down, and then curve up this. But the problem is that this piece right here is concave towards me, but the backside is concave outwards in the other direction. So when you come up here and you get this all to stick in one piece, by the time you get to the backside of here, you can't heat it up enough to pull it down and stretch it to where it will stick. And I don't know if it's because of the KVD plastic. It sticks to the metal way better, but I also might not be cleaning it properly. I've tried acetone, and I even took a wire wheel, wherever the hell it is, and it doesn't seem like it's roughing it up enough. I mean, it says on KVD's website that you need to clean it properly with Ajax and some scrubbing pads, some brown scrubbing pads. But I didn't do that. I just did acetone because, you know, I just want to make my life more difficult. So we got, I don't even know what you call this.
That's like a finish panel.
Finish panel in the middle. Just did this one a couple minutes ago. This turned out really good. One side of the car is going to look a lot nicer than the other side because we didn't know what the hell we were doing over there, but we're getting better as we progress. I did this door over the week as well. The side skirts were a nightmare too because of the same plastic. You can see how flexible this stuff is. So it doesn't really want to adhere very well, but it's doing pretty good. I had to do a bunch of patchwork around these dramatic edges. You can take it out here and it kind of just fades away. You can't really see it.
You're not going to see that from 10 feet.
No.
All we care about is 10 feet.
Yeah. So the only things that we have left are the front and rear bumper, which I am terrified of.
The hood. We have the hood, we have the roof.
I don't even think I'm gonna end up doing that intersection. I'm thinking I'm gonna take the hood off, I'm gonna paint the scoop black and just do the border. It's so many different angles, it's gonna just be patched to hell. I mean, I can attempt it, that's just if we have enough wrap. I bought enough wrap for a sedan. I should have bought it for a pickup truck just to be on the safe side, but the wrap's expensive and, you know, I didn't want to spend another $300 on 10 more feet. The front and the rear bumpers are going to be problematic in my mind because we're floppy noodles. If you guys ever see the car in person, give us some benefit of the doubt. We don't do this shit for a living. But I love the way the color's turning out. I can't wait to see it in the sun. Can't wait to see it with the new wheels on it. We're gonna go 5-lug. I'm not sure what wheels are going to be. The turbo's in. Well, it's a Pulsar turbo. The only issue is when we went to take it apart, the V-band clamp that holds from the intake side to the exhaust side was stripped out like crazy. Luckily, we had an extra one laying around in one of the bins in Ian's toolbox. We got the new fuel rail over there. It's like an HKS knockoff. But I'm not spending $500 on a non-moving part. So I sent these off to ID and they did a flow test and checked on them and they cleaned them up. And they said they're in perfect health, so we're good on that. So those are gonna go inside the car. And we also got fuel pressure gauge and then Chase Bay's aftermarket power steering reservoir with the baffles. I'm still waiting on Serial 9's short throw shifter. I called them yesterday. They said it's going to be another 3 weeks. We got the new transmission in the car. That's done. The clutch is in the car, and the drive shaft showed up a couple days ago. There's still a lot to do. We'll just keep checking back in with you guys.
So that's all we're gonna do for today. We are exhausted. It is hot as hell in the shop. We're almost done, but I'll leave the final product until you see it again on the dyno. He has mentioned he's going larger injectors, larger turbo, all that stuff. So we will have another video coming out of this car and it'll be almost done visually at least. This is where it's at right now. We started here. This is our worst fender, our worst area. Gradually got better as we come onto the rear of the car. This was a pain. We still have a big bubble. It happens. Today we started here, and we have progressively gotten better as we've continued to wrap. We even got the roof done, which got the bumpers and the hood left to go. But think, Brian, if somebody wanted to start wrapping themselves, what would you say?
Good luck. I mean, it's a pain in the ass, but I think it's gonna look beautiful. I mean, there's obviously portions of this I wish went a different way and looked better, but for our first time, man, I can't complain, honestly. It's a challenge. You think you understand what you're doing, and then the more you do it, it starts clicking. It's just a lot, man, but the car looks beautiful, and I'm excited. Can't wait to put it out in the sun.
Oh yeah, this car's gonna be beautiful. And one of the mistakes we made big time is actually on the roof. Is me and him decided to take a side. Didn't quite go as we planned. Started in the middle, like, okay, we'll work the front, then we'll pull off the rest, we'll do the back, and then it was just a cluster. We got it to work, but there was a lot of peeling, a lot of heating, a lot of pulling. It wasn't easy, but we got it working, and honestly, I think it looks pretty awesome, except for the dents. But it happens when hoods fly up. Anyways, I'll leave you with that. We'll catch you guys later. Have a good day.